Ever wondered what powers the privacy-focused world of decentralized finance? I mean, we hear about Bitcoin, Ethereum, but what about those projects that truly prioritize anonymity? Today, we're diving deep into one such project, and specifically, answering the question, what are Beam Wallet coins? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's just take a moment to understand why privacy in crypto even matters. You know, you buy a coffee with your credit card, your bank knows. You send someone Bitcoin, it's on a public ledger for the world to see. In a world increasingly concerned about data breaches and personal information being sold, wouldn't it be nice to have a little more control over your financial footprint? That's where projects like Beam step in. Beam, at its core, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency built using the Mimblewimble protocol. Now, Mimblewimble, if you're not familiar, is a fascinating piece of cryptography that essentially allows for transaction data to be heavily obfuscated. Think of it like a magician's trick. The result is clear, but the process is hidden. This means transaction amounts, sender, and receiver details are all kept confidential. So, how does this relate to Beam Wallet coins? Well, the coins we're talking about are the native cryptocurrency of the Beam blockchain. They're used to facilitate transactions within the Beam ecosystem, and because of Mimblewimble, these transactions are inherently private. When you send Beam coins, you're not just sending value, you're sending it in a way that protects your financial privacy. Now, let's get a little more technical. Beam coins aren't just about hiding transactions, they're also about scalability. Mimblewimble allows for transaction cut-through, which means that old transaction data can be pruned, reducing the overall size of the blockchain. This is crucial for long-term scalability, especially as more and more people start using the network. And what about the Beam wallet? Well, this is your gateway to interacting with these private coins. It's a user-friendly interface that lets you send, receive, and store Beam coins securely. The wallet is designed with privacy in mind, integrating the necessary cryptographic tools to ensure your transactions remain confidential. It's not just a place to hold your coins, it's a tool for managing your financial privacy in the digital age. Think of it this way, Beam coins are the fuel, and the Beam wallet is the vehicle. Without the fuel, the vehicle goes nowhere, and without the vehicle, you can't really utilize the fuel effectively. They work in tandem to create a secure and private environment for financial transactions. Now, it's important to remember that privacy doesn't mean anonymity in the sense of illegal activity. Beam is designed to protect legitimate financial privacy, not to facilitate illicit behavior. The technology is about empowering individuals with control over their financial data, not about creating a haven for criminals. The Beam project is continuously evolving, with developers working on new features and improvements to enhance privacy and usability. From atomic swaps to confidential assets, the ecosystem is expanding, offering more and more ways to leverage the power of private transactions. Beam wallet coins represent a significant step forward in the quest for financial privacy in the world of cryptocurrency. They leverage cutting-edge cryptography to provide a secure and confidential way to transact, and the Beam wallet is the tool that puts this power in your hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.